What's up, everybody? This week we're gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna be turning these Converse style sneakers into some Dior shoes, and I'm gonna be using the same transfer paper style that I've been using in my previous videos. If you have not seen that, go ahead and check it out. So I know a lot of people don't sew or paint, so this is the next best thing to customize your shoe as easy as possible. And it's quite easy, but there are certain things that will make it easier, and I've learned it through trial and error, and I'm going to give you all the sauce. Before anybody asks, where did I get this Dior print from? I just went on Google and typed in Dior print, and this is what came up. So I just printed it out and then, put it on the transfer paper. Yo, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but when you are cutting out your paper, please cut it out right side up and not upside down. I did this twice and I made the mistake of wasting like 2 sheets of paper, and it's not that cheap. So don't do that. Now, installing your pattern on the side of the shoe is going to be the hardest part. Hopefully when you cut it out, you used a brand new X-Acto knife so you can get those crisp lines, but also make sure you give yourself room for error by letting the fabric be longer near the sole. But let's get past all this boring stuff and get to the reveal. I am in love with these shoes and how they came out, and I don't know whether y'all thought I was playing or not, but I gave these shoes away to one of my followers last month. To stay updated on more chances to win, go ahead and hit that follow button and that notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.